everyone's buzzing about registered dietitian and creator of the 2B Mindset weight loss program, Ilana Muhlstein, who's just documented all the secrets to her amazing 100-pound weight loss in her new book, You Can Drop It.
In my book, You Can Drop It, you're going to learn all the tools, solutions, strategies that I've used to lose my own 100 pounds and keep it off, and that have worked for my hundreds and hundreds of private clients in my private practice in Beverly Hills, and with my weight loss seminar at UCLA. You're going to have so many breakthroughs within this book.
And Ilana is sharing all the secrets to her own weight loss success, such as dropping the excuses and negative mindset, and how to recognize and avoid emotional eating.
Have you ever been hungry and the next thing you know, it's 5 minutes later, you're in the kitchen and you eat a whole sleeve of crackers and you're still feeling hungry? We've all been there. And the question is, where does that hunger come from? Is it real physical hunger, or is it driven by a deeper emotional trigger? And within my book, I actually go through emotional eating A to Z, and I will share coined terms with you covering emotional eating that you've never heard before, like elevated eating, procrastinating eating, innocent eating, self-sabotage eating. I have coined so many terms based on my experience counseling so many hundreds of people in my private practice and for myself that are going to help you identify what is driving you to eat so you can really overcome it and drop these pounds for good.
Another secret that's worked for Ilana and her many clients.
Think about your weight loss 2 pounds at a time. Any person I've ever seen really not believe they could lose weight, feel like they've just been struggling, is usually way too overwhelmed by the bigger number they have to lose. So I truly and sincerely lost my 100 pounds focusing on just 2 pounds at a time. And that's what I recommend to you.
And if you're wondering, will I be hungry and feel deprived? Don't. The best part about this, she says, you can eat a lot and you won't have to cut out your favorite foods.
I am literally walking you through how you can still enjoy carbs, cocktails, and chocolate, but you will actually enjoy them so much more once reading this book and see that you will see greater success and results.
And as for her thoughts on exercise,
I've always incorporated some level of movement, whether it's walking around the block or doing a more intense workout, because it does help you change your mindset and connect yourself more with your body and teaches you that you're stronger than you think. I'm very thankful that about 3 years ago, I met with Beachbody, because at that point I had a really wonderful, thriving private practice, and I was giving such amazing weight loss advice to people within the UCLA community, and everyone was seeing great results, but I felt like it wasn't fair to share this with such a select, small group of people when so many millions of people need to lose weight, and need to lose weight in the way I present it, that allows freedom, that allows enjoyment. And that's really possible and very effective. You not only have every solution and understanding and knowledge you need to start dropping weight, but you also have 50 plus delicious recipes like chocolate sea salt Shakeology and PB&J Wonder Whip. So the book is loaded with delicious recipes, plus a 4-week slim down plan that shows you how to fit these recipes into your next 4 weeks.
And we're all in. Grab Ilana's best-selling book on Amazon.com and at all major retailers. And for more info on Ilana and 2B Mindset, go to try2bmindset.com.